Welcome back. I'm assuming till now the purpose and the target has been set. If it's not, no problem at all. Make sure whenever you are starting your fat loss transformation, you have answers to that question. Why? I have already given the detailed explanation in the last video. Go check it out. So last week I was 81.8 kgs and today is 2nd May 2021 and I am 80.6 kgs. So I have lost 1.2 kgs. In this video I will be sharing the 3 secrets that I have applied on myself and that has helped me in my transformation, and that's the reason I'm sharing that with you. But before sharing that, let me make it very clear. Things will not be that easy as you are thinking. But that doesn't mean it will be that difficult too. So without wasting time, let me share the secret number 1. It's called calorie deficit. What does that mean? To understand that, let's take an example of mine itself. So when I started, I was carrying a weight of 89.9 kgs, which is approximately 90 kgs. And to maintain that weight, I need 2500 calories. Okay? So whatever we eat, it has certain calories in it. We just need to keep a track of it. Not 100% accurately, but somewhere around 90 to 80%. That will help. So if my body needs a 2500 of calories to maintain the weight of 90 kgs, and whatever I am eating is having the calorie equals to 2500, that means there is a zero weight loss, because there is no profit, no loss. And if I'm taking more than 2500 calories, that means there is a profit, and that profit of calories will help me in increasing the weight. So I understood this concept. This is an old school method and it is very useful in your weight transformation. So what I had did here is, my body needs 2500 calories. I started eating less than that, and that less, having certain difference of 500 or 600 calories daily, has helped me in the fat loss and weight loss. It's very simple, right? But people are charging it to explain this only very high. No problem. Now the secret number 2 and secret number 3 is very simple. But before sharing that secret number 2, let me say it very clearly. I'm not doing any brand promotion, okay? And before starting or before taking the secret number 2, I will request to take advice from your family doctor. So what's the secret number 2 is? It's called including multivitamins daily. Because when you are in your cutting mode, in your fat loss mode, then your body needs certain nutrients, certain vitamins, and that can be fulfilled with the help of multivitamins. So I'm a kind of person who tries to save money, right? So in India, everywhere there is a generic medical store where we get medicines at 80% discount. So I have purchased a multivitamins which cost around 40 rupees, and it has 10 tablets in it. So per day I'm taking one. somewhere between 11 to 12, and it's been around 40 days, and it is helping me a lot. Now the secret number 3 is again very simple. Everyone knows it, but no one applies it in real life. It's called taking a good sleep. Proper sleep of 6 to 8 hours, depending upon your working life, because you have certain responsibilities and you need to fulfill that also, right? So if I conclude this, there are 3 secrets I said. First one is calorie deficit, second is taking the multivitamins, and third one is taking the proper sleep. With this, there is so much of gyan, right, in this video. So my name is Sushil Maurya, signing out until we meet again.